Yo, yo, there we go. Short devlog. So I decided to add an extra boss. So ever since I made the bomb, I was like, bomb boss. You just gotta, right? Uh, the moment I started, I was like, I gotta make a boss with some of this stuff. And today I was gonna do some polishing on the game and get it ready for launch. But then I was like, bomb boss. It just bomb boss. It just gotta happen. So this is what I came up with. It's not that hard. It's kind of simple. This is special. It just spams creating bombs on you. Oh, no, no. As usual, I'm like, this is kind of easy. And then I die to something stupid. So, easiest way to go about it is like, it's the same as the green slime. You just wait until he's on one side to trigger his special. Because then you have more real estate, right? Also, I forgot to give him collision. I mean, he has collision. It's just I forgot to give him the if you touch the boss, you take damage kind of thing. Yeah, so we can just stack these. Okay, so now we have all this real estate. There we go. This is the second boss. He's not meant to be super hard, right? There we go. I'm okay with this. What happened there at the end? I clicked it and something weird happened with the door. I don't know. I'm gonna double check a lot of this stuff, right? It's already up. If you're gonna play this is the second boss. So now it's like every 5 levels you get a boss, or in some cases you go through 4 levels and then you get a boss because I haven't finished the others. But I'm gonna add a couple more levels, so it's gonna be actual game levels. It's gonna be 5, and then you get a boss. So it's like the 6th level is the boss. So that's the whole plan. I still need to add a couple more levels, and then I'm gonna fix the old ones. I'm gonna make them a bit more interesting. But yeah, I got one more boss. It's kind of like it is a cool boss. I like it. It's not mind blowing, again, but it's nice. It's kind of accidental, right? Because I had this move of him like hitting the floor, and then it generates a bomb where you are, right? And I was like, oh, this is cool. And then my idea for the special was, oops, can't abuse it that much. My idea for the special was he was gonna fill the floor with bombs, like that. So, right, like that. So you had to like come up here and wait it out. But then before I locked this move out of use, I tried it. It's just like, I wonder what happens if I just let him like spam bombs. And this happened. Where he just keeps jumping and spawning bombs. And I was like, this is actually kind of cool. I like this, right? This is fun. And I was like, oh, I really like this. I'm going to keep it in. Uh-oh. Yeah. If you abuse this... Oops. I did not see it. Alright. Let me just kill him one more time to see what the heck happened with the door. I could just look at the recording, right? But it's nice. This is I'm my own tester, right? This is usually what you guys don't see. Is just me fighting the same, you know, simple boss over and over again. Like testing exploits, seeing how fast I can beat them. Basically, I'm being a jerk to the bosses. Oops. And seeing interactions like that. Seeing what can happen. So he has the same mechanic as the green slime. Or King Greeny, as I'm calling him. Where if you get hit by that, like when he comes down and he slams down, that's two hit points. Right? I'm gonna make it that like the bomb is 1. Bombs are 1 damage, but being hit by the I can't speak and play at the same time. And I keep forgetting that he doesn't have collision yet. So I keep dodging him. I wonder if I should just leave him like this. Because he's only the second boss, right? Uh-oh. Alright, so we spawned a few here. Go down there. I keep trying to dodge him because I think he's going to hit me. Oops. Let's not trigger the special. Now we trigger it. Come on. Oh yeah, so I was saying, he has the same as the King Greeny, right? Where if you get hit by the knockdown, like when he comes down, he makes a little explosion. Let's see. Did do it that time. That's 2 hit points. The explosion is just 1. But yeah, it's functional. It works. It is okay. I want the door to be slightly lower. I don't know why the door is so high up. It shouldn't be. There's always something. There is always something, my dudes. Let's see the points. Edit points. The point is fine. Is it? I'm fairly certain it is. That should be it. 128. Yeah, because I'm... I mean, clearly there's something wrong. Because the door is not all the way down. But that's okay. It's still reachable. What did I do wrong here? No, because he's a 16 by 16 character. And then I doubled this up to 32. And then I multiplied it by 8. So that should be like 16 times 8 should be that one, right? Which should be the same as multiplying the 16 character 18 times. Oh, that's the issue. Yeah, that's why he's off. Because it's not 18 times. It's not 18 times, 8 times. It's not 8 times that I usually do. It's 6 because it's 96. All right, anyways, I'll do the math and I'll try to put it where it's supposed to go. And then I'll just patch it. But for now, that's the new boss. I hope you like it. I'll keep adding new stuff. I'm gonna keep working on the game until it's release ready. I'm gonna add in some more juice here and there. I'm gonna fix it up, make it nice, add more interest to the levels, and so on. But this, I thought about making this devlog because this is still part of the demo. This is still part of the beta. This is just I wasn't decided on adding an extra boss, but then I was like, nah, it makes sense, right? Because it's 20 levels, so we just make 5 levels, one boss, 5 levels, one boss. There you go. It's more interesting as well. You don't just go like level, 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 level. Now you have the breaking the monotony, right? You do the levels, and then you have a boss. So 5 levels, one boss should be a lot more fun. Anywho, right? That was it. So I'll catch you guys next video. Till then, I hope you enjoyed the game. Leave feedback, subscribe, leave a like if you liked. All of that jazz really really helps. So if you could do that. All right. Till then, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.